Hi guys, this is Sopmimer here and welcome to my Traffic Armageddon review. So this is the dashboard of this tool, and firstly thank you for giving your precious time to watch this video. And I always tell that time is more valuable than money, and that is my philosophy. I really want to give you a thank you. You are watching my video. So I got cold, that is why maybe I am taking the break unusually. Sometimes I am taking pause unusually inside videos. So so this is the dashboard of this tool, and this tool is all about an unique concept, like how you can just optimize your click just by just sending one email, by one link inside one email. You can get 5 clicks from each and every customers. That will be taught to you inside this section, this video, inside this course. And also additionally they will be showing you this tool is launched by 3 guys named as Dan Khan and Philip Johansson and also Jasdeep Singh. So inside this video will be shown by you inside this course shown by them these things also, like Bing Ad Masterclass, Google Ads Masterclass, YouTube Ad Masterclass, and also Live YouTube Masterclass, and YouTube Ads Masterclass. So these 4 things are really valuable these days if you are a online marketer, or if you want to make online make money, or if you want to make money online, then that will be very essential for you to get this kind of knowledge. This is the additional steps. Let me clear you. The main thing is given here, that how you can just optimize your optimize the click of your customer. Basically how you can just optimize the click of your customer, how you can get the full potential of the clicks. Like you are sending just one link, and you are doing presently just sending your customer one link, and by that link they are going to the page, the sales page, and from there if they purchase, then you will be commissioned, and if they do not purchase, you are getting the emails. So you can do more, that if they are not purchasing, if they once they are just tending to leave the page, then the link will show up some another product, some another offer to them, to the customer. Like you can do it up to 5 times for one link. For one respective link you can show your people or your customer 5 products, 5 individually totally different product. You can show them, and that will be shown to you inside this pack, inside totally detailedly show to you, like how you can change the HTML code, and totally you can get the full just get the conversion more and more. Like if one person is not convinced by some product, by some exact product, maybe they are convinced by some another 4 products. So you can show up your more 4 products to them easily by doing this thing, and that knowledge will be given by these guys. Mainly this guy named as Jasdeep Singh, and he will be showing you the stuffs, what you can change the thing inside your HTML code, and you can get the full power of clicks. And for the welcome video, this guy will be giving you the welcome, and for the other videos he will be showing you, like Jasdeep will be showing you. And this tool is really cheap. Also the bonus training, inside bonus training he will be giving the lead magnets, capturing the lead magnets facilities, and also finding the high converting offers. And basically this is not a hard thing. This is not a thing that been meant to get the in my opinion, I don't know, I am a very small marketer. Like I am doing inside this field for 8 months previously. So how you can be a successful online programmer, or maybe online marketer, it should be marketer, I don't know. So how you can be successful, basically the thing is how you can be successful inside your life. So that will be also given you inside this 1 hour training. These are the bonus steps, and you can also get the good offers, and you can capture the lead magnets. So what else you need, I don't know. So that is a good thing, that via just giving one link you can turn into 5 clicks from one people, each and every people. So basically you are getting 500 clicks from just 100 people. Okay, so that was the tool, and let me show you the stuffs, the cost and everything, additional stuffs. So these are the ratings. I have gone through the product and the contents, and then I have rated it 96%, value for money 92, market it's 96, and overall it has got 9.4 out of 10. I never consider market is inside this overall section. So this is the product price, 16 bucks and 95 cents, and this product is launching on Friday 5th March 9 a.m. EST, New York time at 9 a.m. morning. It will be launched on 5th March, sorry. So this is the ending date, and additionally they are giving you 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee, so you can check out the product and it is easily refundable, so you should have nothing to worry. So these are the descriptions, and all of the topics are given here what I have already showed to you, and that is mentioned here. You can check out the topic title, and this is the owners. These two guys are the owners, but there is also another guy. I have not mentioned him here. I should mention him. This is my my fault. Okay, I am apologizing. So in my word, this course is a very good and unique course and totally detailed course. Like additionally they are giving you the Bing ad facility, the Google ads, and also the YouTube ads. These are the futures of not futures, also the present obviously. And this is a very cheap product. You can get it within just 17 bucks, and for downsell you can get it for 9 bucks approximately. And these are the Upsells 1, Upsell 2. You can check out this via given the video description link below. You can click and get the product also, and you can check out the upsells and downsells. So now let me show you my bonuses. I am very much eager to show you. So my first bonus is totally free bonus, free to everyone. You can click here, like you can click on ask me, and you will be redirected to my Facebook page, and from there you can easily ask anything about make money online. I have very small knowledge inside make money online. I'm saying this, but if I know the answer, I will be obviously answering you that I know, and this will be the answer. If I don't know the answer, I will be also answering you that I don't know the answer. And also you can also get that thing that how I am started and I am still earning. And my bonus number 1 is my made video, like how you can get the I have just stuck inside one place at the starting of my journey, and I have not found any video inside YouTube on that topic. So that is why I have made the video, and that is given to you totally free. Inside my bonus number 1, how you can get the buyers list, the code list, the purchaser list, how you can make the list via promoting JVZoo and Warrior Plus product, and just get the email IDs of buyers, totally free method, and that will be taught to you inside this video. And my bonus number 2 is a 9 video series, sorry. So that will taught to you that how you can get 100 bucks a day very easily. And inside bonus number 3, you will be given an ebook. This in outside this is being charged $3. Okay, so I am giving you totally free the clickbank marketing secrets. I personally don't rely on ebook, like I don't want to read them. But if you want to read them, if you just give your time to this kind of ebooks, and also you are giving your so much time, that will be very profitable for you and also good for you. But I don't like ebooks, but I can't do anything. I have this bonus for this product, and personally I like to consume videos. That is very time saving in my opinion. So if you have time, then that will be very good thing for you. So my bonus number 4 is a toolkit, a whole pack. Once you are launching your product or once you are starting your affiliate marketing journey, that will be very essential for you, like the sales video, the banners, the product mind map, cheat sheets written here. I have already written here the swipes, email swipes, and also the softwares that will be essential for you. That all things will be given to you inside this pack, not the softwares exactly, but the links of the softwares, a total toolkit for any marketer, for any online earner, given to you inside this for bonus number 4. And bonus number 5 is mini site builder pro. So that is a website builder, and inside bonus number 5 I am giving you totally free. And my bonus number, that is not my bonus, basically this is vendor bonus. I want to I want to just I am just displaying you to show you that the bonus to make the bonus numbers more. Okay, to show you the bonus number more, I am just displaying you. This is a by default bonus that will be given to you by the vendor, totally free once you have just purchased the product. Let me show you the bonuses. So inside bonus number 1, from the purchase you will be given the VIP support from Jasdeep, and inside bonus number 2, the behind the scenes of a 6-figure per month marketing business, and bonus number 3, your unfair advantage in business live custom training, and the worth value also written here, and bonus number 4, instant approval to promote any Traffic Armageddon, no affiliate history required, and also 1 hour live free training with Jasdeep. So that was the bonus number 5. So this was the bonus, vendor bonus, and this was the pack. And if you purchase any upsells, as the upsells are more costly, that is why a good value pack will be waiting for you once you have just purchased upsell bonuses, like more softwares, more images, and more music tracks, and also like plugins, the PLR products also. That pack will be given to you totally free once you have just purchased the upsell from my website. So after purchasing the product, you just click this blue button, access your affiliate bonuses, and the dish of the bonus will be given to you, will be served to you totally free. So that was my product overview and also my bonuses overview. I think I should leave now. I'm signing out. I'm wrapping up the video. So bye bye.